A very good morning to all of you. I am Dr. Manoj Kumar Malpani, Assistant Professor in Chemistry, Shankarlal Khandelwal Arts, Science and Commerce College, Akola. Today I am going to deliver my oral presentation for the International Web Conference on Science, Engineering and Technology. My topic for the presentation is phytochemical screening and antioxidant activity of extracts of Acheranthus aspera, Amaranthus retroflexus plants and their mixture. Abstract: Acheranthus aspera and Amaranthus retroflexus are the medicinal potential plants which are used to cure the various diseases such as cough, diarrhea, dysentery, dropsy and other diseases. The juice of the leaves are used in fever. Antioxidant comes up frequently in discussions about the good health and preventive diseases. The present investigation was undertaken to screen the phytochemical analysis and antioxidant activity of Acheranthus aspera and Amaranthus retroflexus plant extracts. Materials and methods. The plant materials Acheranthus aspera and Amaranthus retroflexus were collected seasonally and authenticated by the taxonomist Dr. S.P. Rothe, Principal, Mayor Vanu Junior College, Akola. All the chemicals used in the study were obtained commercially and of analytical grade. Phytochemical screening. The chemical tests were performed for testing the different chemical groups present in ethanolic extract of leaves and flowers of Amaranthus retroflexus, fruits and leaves of Acheranthus aspera and mixture of leaves of Acheranthus aspera and Amaranthus retroflexus. Materials and methods. The leaves, flowers and fruits of Acheranthus aspera and Amaranthus retroflexus plants were shade dried at room temperature and ground in a manual mill to get a coarse powder. The coarse powdered materials of leaves, flowers and fruits were kept in the airtight polythene bags and stored in dry place. These powders were extracted with ethanol by using Soxhlet apparatus. The extracts were concentrated at 40 degrees Celsius using rotary evaporator. Finally, it was dried, crushed and stored in airtight bottles at 4 degrees Celsius for further study. Now the study of antioxidant activity by DPPH. The antioxidant activity of the ethanolic extracts of leaves and fruits of Acheranthus aspera and leaves and flowers of Amaranthus retroflexus and mixture of leaves of Acheranthus aspera and Amaranthus retroflexus plants were assessed on the basis of DPPH method. The diluted working solutions of the test plant extracts were prepared in ethanol. 0.004% of DPPH was prepared in ethyl alcohol and 3 ml of this solution was mixed with the 3 ml of sample solutions. These solution mixtures were kept in dark for 30 minutes and optical density was measured at 517 nanometer using the UV visible spectrophotometer. Alcohol 3 ml and DPPH solution 3 ml was used as a blend and the optical density was recorded and percent inhibition was calculated using the formula percent inhibition is equal to A minus B upon A into 100 where A is equal to optical density of the blend and B is equal to optical density of the sample. Results and discussion. The stock solution 1 mg per ml of ethanol was prepared. The required dilutions 0.1 mg per ml to 0.9 mg per ml were prepared by appropriate dilutions. The optical density and percent antioxidant activity were calculated. The results and discussions were shown in these diagrams. In these diagrams, we have shown that the decrease in optical density of the samples with the increase in the concentration of extracts and increase in the percent antioxidant activity with increase in the concentration of the ethanolic extracts. These are shown in these diagrams. Now these are the diagrams. Conclusion. From the above study, it is concluded that Various phytochemicals were present in Acheranthus aspera, Amaranthus retroplexus, and mixture of leaves, extracts of Acheranthus aspera and Amaranthus retroplexus. The remarkable decrease of OD values and increase in percent antioxidant activity with increase in concentration for the extracts of Amaranthus aspera and Acheranthus retroplexus and mixture of Amaranthus aspera and Acheranthus retroplexus were observed, which shows that all of them have good antioxidant activity. Thank you.